Okay, Stuart, I'm gonna stand there, yeah. So I'm gonna take picture there.
Okay, hands are closed. All right, we're going to move out to pad F2. Get this correct. This is certification L1 flight. Car, are you ready? Shoes? And who's your certifier? Okay, we're on F2. Okay, ready. Skyner range is clear. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Set? Okay, it looks good. You just have to retrieve it and show that it is still in one piece. Okay, the next one up. It says D1, but the rocket's on pad D2. Oh, D1, okay, it's a little short thing out there. Alright. It's a Susanna. Rocket's name's 777 on a J285. Jolly motor ejection at apogee, Jolly Logic at 700, expected 3,200. Quasar with motor backup on pad D1. Are you ready? Susanna? I don't hear you. Okay. Skyner range is clear. Good continuity. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
No, it's still going. Right above my head. No, it's not going.
Is that going to cloud?
It's going to cloud.
That?
Better than speed.
And she has a Jolly Logic at 700 feet.
Right overhead.
Which project you're on? IRAC, NFL, the liquid? Yeah, it's like, because I'm electrical, so there's more. Fair. I hope? Yeah. They're like, oh my god, we're exclusive and we're in a rocket club, but they don't. Yeah, it's kind of hard. It's such a first to do. It's nice that you can do it. You have more experience. You can fly like, okay, why did you matter? Yeah, I time it. And also, here's the biggest thing that on how you walk it all around. Yeah, so like that's like the main reason why you want to do anything. And they're like, I don't need it for my team. I gotta get my paper.
Okay, here we go. Freddie Williams past D3. Has a pass on a K940, 18 seconds. CTI. Streamer at apogee. Altimeter at 700. Expected 5,000 feet. Hopefully it doesn't go in the corner. D3. Are you ready?
You want to hit, but I lost sight.
I lost it. It was supposed to go 5,000 feet. Okay. I hear it. Sailor's out. And the main is going to be at 700 feet.
I wish Top Flight had a tag on there. I know. I can't remember what size it is. I think it's a 45.
Oh, there it is. See the trailer out there? And the main parachute is out. Back up. Looks like it's on this side of the canal. That's the Okay, who can certify this gentleman here? Yes. Carlos. That's over there. Okay. Okay, moving up to the sea pad.
Let's go.
Craig.
Let's find it.
No,
what's
rocket's called refurbish.
I don't know. We never did that.
Expected 1,100 feet. With the